Hi, this is Samuel from Stadlerform. Unfortunately, you cannot see beautiful Switzerland in the background. It got really cold lastly, so it's the perfect time to choose a humidifier for winter time. And today I'm going to show you how to actually choose a humidifier. Alright, welcome inside. It's much better than on the rooftop terrace. Now let me start with the three most important points when choosing a humidifier. If you choose the perfect humidifier for you, you definitely need to know the room size. For this matter, you calculate the length and the width and multiply these two numbers, which actually result in the surface of your room. So if you want to humidify a room which has 20 square meter, you actually choose a humidifier which is suitable for 20 square meter or more. If your room is 50 square meter, you cannot choose a humidifier which only covers 30 square meter. This will actually result in a not satisfying humidification result. Water hardness actually describes the amount of minerals in your water. If you have hard water, this means you have a lot of minerals or limescale in your water. If you have moderately hard water, usually there is medium amount of limescale or minerals. If you have soft water, you have almost no minerals dissolved in your water. If you don't know how hard your water is, please ask your water supplier. Usually you can get this information somehow. Depending on the water hardness, we can actually recommend different systems. We recommend evaporative humidifiers, ultrasonic humidifiers, hot steam humidifiers or air washers, whatever you want to choose with soft water. If your water is moderately hard, we can still recommend all four systems, but we recommend to use anti-calc cartridge in order to remove the amount of minerals in your water. If you have very hard water, we rather recommend to use only evaporative humidifiers or air washers. If now you would like to use an ultrasonic humidifier, but you have very hard water, we recommend to actually mix your hard water with distilled water in a ratio of 50:50. This will reduce the amount of minerals in your water. If by any chance you have white dust all over your furniture, this means that your ultrasonic humidifier is actually pushing minerals out in the room. Usually this indicates that your anti-calc cartridge needs to be replaced. If the replacement of the cartridge doesn't help, that could be an indicator that your water is too hard for this humidification system. So in this case, you should definitely choose either an air washer or an evaporative humidifier. Alright, this brings us to the last point of our video. When you're purchasing a humidifier, you always need to decide for one of four systems in humidification. We do have evaporative humidifiers, ultrasonic humidifiers, air washers or hot steam humidifiers. So it all depends on your room size, on your water hardness, as you just learned before. So all four systems have advantages and weaknesses, and you can find a lot more information than I can transport in this short video on this website. Alright, please visit stadlerform.com/humidifier to get additional information about the different systems. Okay, those were the three most important points when choosing a humidifier: room size, water hardness, and the right choice of your humidification system. If you've learned this from this video and you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you still have questions, just write them in the comments below. And if you like to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.